Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. In today's video, how to tie your sleigh on your trailer or truck and unload fish. Dustin got fish from my nephew Dustin. He got fish for us from Bistro Lake, our lake, local lake around here. With that said, let's get started with the video. I'll show you how Dustin tied his skidoo and sleigh, and we'll unload the fish. Yeah, the fish will be so delicious. Thank you, Dustin. So with the tying of the sleigh, Dustin uses some of these straps here. These are good. This is the older one, but you can get some nice ones like this. So he got it right through behind that part there. Through here, goes down along in there. Then his front of his skidoos against this bar, and he's tied the axis down there. Yeah, these are good to get. Also, these here are quality too. Get quality ones to tie your skidoo. He got this one tied to that sleigh here. A big I made this sleigh years ago, still good. And then we screwed the box on there from the bottom of that sleigh. I like to show you guys one day how to make one of these. Yeah, and he got the jigger there and auger there, and his skidoo there. He rebuilt. Yeah, he got one tie in the front here, ties his sleigh, and one in there. Those kind of straps use these kind, and this kind here. He has another one there, holding it, more holding for that sleigh with all the fish in there. He got another one here. These are the new ones here. These are awesome to have. And then he got these sleighs. These trailers got a hook where you can hook to. You can wrap it around and wrap it on here also. But it's best to get it on. Yeah, use these kind of straps. These are the best kind. And quality ones like these here with a stronger leather. Like this is a cheaper one here. Right here is kind of thin, but it works. And cheap one is that. Don't get this kind. Try to get one with a thick leather quality. All right, that's how you tie your sleigh down. Here it's the sleigh and skidoo. We got the jigger here, and this rope here that we use, it's about a 3/8 quarter inch, kind of thin, so it'll pull a long ways. Thick, big thick rope, it won't work good. So that's like a 3/8, I believe. 3/8, yeah. Let's unload the fish, folks. We'll sit you down here. Yeah, get good position for you. Right there. Okay, let's see where the fish are. Hopefully we can get it. You were saying it's all under the nets. You might have to loosen some of these. Looks like he tied it good. Look at this reel Dustin made. Good crank. You could build one of these, you crank it in. Yeah. This fish net. String, reel it in. Try not to take the net off if we don't have to. his ice pick. That'll work. Okay. Keep her going. Oh. Here's a net, 100-yard nets. 100-yard net. Gotta take out the fish. Dustin's going back to Bishop Lake, northern Alberta. Big solid ice cube. Right there, folks. Look at that. Whitefish. I'll make a spot for the fish. Yeah, I gotta get these fish out of here, folks. I'll get back to you when I do. Oh, you got 70 fish, eh? Yeah, Dustin's heading to Bishop Lake again. He's loaded up. We got the fish unloaded. How are you today?
Good.
Good? And how are you? Good? That's good. There's the rest of the fish. Alan's getting the fish on. We're getting loaded up. Dustin's getting loaded up. We'll give the fish out to the people. Keep a few. It'll be good. Thank you, Lord.
That generator was in there, eh?
Huh?
That generator was in there?
I didn't see it.
Oh, it's in front here.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's right there. The generator. All right.
Put it in the back of the
There's the fish. We'll hand it out. I'll keep a few. I'll make a fish fry. What's that? It's over there.